Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add photo gallery in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, let's head over and click on this customize button right there. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see the Shopify editor that's been loaded right there. So in here, let's just scroll down. And then in here, we can see the template. So we can head over and from in there, we can actually add in here a section. So click on add section. And then in here, you can just choose which sections you want to use. So for example, you can use a multi-column, multi-row right here, or you can also see a lot of things that you can actually add in there. So for example, for me, I'll just head over and then just choose a gallery for this collage. So head over and click on this collage. And then in a few seconds, it will be added just like this. So what we can do is you can click on this particular image, then click on the select image right here. And then we can add in here an image that we want. Click on done. Then once it's been added right there, we can see that it will be loaded. Now let's add in here another image for this one wherein we can select the product. So click on select product. Then let's select the product in here for this t-shirt and click on select. And it will be added right there. The other one is this one, which is the collection. So we can click on the select collection right there. And we can use the selection in here and click on select. And as you can see, it will look like this. So if you want to edit out some text, you can click on this multimedia collage right here and you can just rename it. So for example, let's make this top picks for you. So you can name it like this. You can change the heading size into large if you want. And then you can also change the mobile layout, the desktop layout, and all these things right here, as well as the color scheme. So for me, I'll just choose the scheme for which is black. After that, I'll just need to click on save right here and it's been saved. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because that's will reach more people. See you soon.